So here I am again with the second portion of the syllabus, this second portion in this second lecture. And as I have said, this is a 10 lecture series in which I would explain the syllabus. In fact, it would be 11 lecture series. One lecture in the beginning in which I have explained the epilogue to the syllabus. Okay. So in this portion I would be taking human values. To cut time, this time I have written the whole thing beforehand. Human values. After ethics, this particular term comes human values. Human values, देखो ऐसा ये सिलेबस है ना कि इसमें एथिक्स के बाद ह्यूमन वैल्यूज आता है. ह्यूमन वैल्यूज पहले क्यों नहीं लिखा एग्जामिनर? क्योंकि ह्यूमन वैल्यूज एक्चुअली देयर शुड बी सम फाउंडेशन ऑन विच ह्यूमन वैल्यूज टू बी बिल्ट, एंड यू नो on ethics only human values are built. So this is like a story. Just feel that this is a grand story. First of all, they have discussed ethics and now they are taking human values. Okay, human values, morality, then habit, all these things we will be discussing later on when I would be taking the whole class, or I would be taking different terms. All these terms are different, I am telling you. Morality is different to values. Values is different to ethics. Ethics is different to conduct. Okay. So in this portion, lessons from the lives and teachings of great leaders. See, in this there is nothing more to explain, nothing special to explain apart from this, that these terms that they have mentioned in a different format, leaders, leaders, reformers, administrator. Actually, you know, the most interesting part of ethics paper is that when you read ethics, you become more and more conscious as far as your usage of words is concerned. So, you know, you understand the subtle difference between a leader and a manager. Not only that, there is not only a subtle difference, there is phenomenal difference between a leader and a manager. So likewise, leader, reformer and administrator, these things are not same. So I always tell that if you study your ethics paper nicely, then you become a very qualified user of English language, which is very, very important as far as your other papers are concerned. So in this, there is nothing more to explain as far as the granular content is concerned, but leader, reformer and administrator. See, leader कौन होता है? Leader and manager are very, very different people. Leader loves anarchy. Manager loves rules and regulations. For example, Manmohan Singh was a manager, but Narendra Modi is a leader. Donald Trump is a leader. We would not be getting into the ethical side or the morality side of that personality, but leader has certain trait. Leader never loves status quo. He would always come and question and revolutionize and bring in paradigm changes. Manager wants to love that 4 sets of rules. Manager never thinks out of box. Okay? If we go into mythology, we can say that Hanumanji was a leader. Okay, but Vibhishan was a manager. Okay, so there is difference between leader and manager. Okay, reformer. What is the difference between leader and reformer? Leader is a very wide term. Reformers are those people. There could be intellectual reformer, there could be moral reformer, there could be social reformer like Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, so reformers are basically those people who basically provide that nudge, NUDGE, nudge principle. You must have studied the nudge economy in behavioral economics. You must have studied nudge. In fact, Nobel Award for Economics past year was given on nudge principle also. So they provide, the reformers provide that nudge, that initial push to question our own mentality, question our own mental status. Okay, they bring in reforms. Okay, And then administrator. Administrator, you all want to become administrator by giving UPSC and succeeding. Okay, so administrator are people who basically administer, who basically manages, controls, regulates. Administration also is a very wide term. Okay, in that administrator you can say that administrator are those people who works with a certain mandate and a certain resource. Okay, so lessons from the lives, we can have many lessons. Leaders, we have so many leaders in India. Okay, reformers, Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, then administrator, we have E Sridharan of Delhi Metro. Maybe you can also include TN Session. Okay, so all these things, all these people were administrators. They were very good administrators. Okay, then role of family, society and educational institution in inculcating. See, this portion is the implication of this portion. Role of, generally we say na ki who is our first teacher in our life? Our mother. Then comes father. Then comes our siblings. So first teacher of our life are family members. Then comes society, our neighbors. Then comes educational, then we go to school, after we become 4 or 5 years, educational institutions. And what do these people do? See, we are in the most impressionable age. There is a word in English called impressionable. You know what does this mean? इसका मतलब होता है गीला मिट्टी. मतलब whatever you learn in this age, whatever you feel in this age, it remains for your lifetime. Okay, so this is the reason why we always feel nostalgic. Whenever some smell comes which we have smelt in our childhood, all of a sudden our mind goes to that particular moment of our childhood. So that this impressionable age, when we are in the most impressionable age, these people actually affects us. So the learning, the ethical values that we get from these people remains with our life forever. There is also a difference between character and personality. We will be discussing about it later on, or maybe in my definitional classes. So thank you.